Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so before I get started, I wanted to mention two workshops that are happening. One, of course, you may already know, PourCon in Las Vegas is happening this August 6th through 9th. If you are interested in coming to see a bunch of YouTubers, there's going to be 22 of us. Shelly from Australia is going to be there. It is going to be an epic event. It's at the Green Valley Ranch Resort. For more information, go to PourCon.com. That information is going to be listed in the description below. I will be there and I am going to be teaching everyone how to top coat your pieces with resin. So a lot of people have a lot of trouble trying to get resin on their pieces and it's not perfect. So that is what I am going to be teaching at PourCon this August. And you'll be doing it on none other than one of Shelly's pieces herself, like one of her pieces. She is doing a ton of bloom pieces on little wood rounds, and you are going to get to do resin on those pieces and learn how to top coat those. And then not only will you have learned how to resin, but you get to take home a piece, an original piece of Shelly art technique, her bloom stuff. I can't talk today. My brain's not working. The other thing I wanted to mention is my personal classes here in London, Ontario. I have 3 classes set up. Those are happening March 27th. There's an AM class, there's a PM class, and then March 28th in the morning, another morning class. If you are interested in attending any one of those 3 classes or all 3 of those classes or whatever, and you want more information, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com for information on those classes, what they entail, the times, the pricing, and all of that, okay? So if you're interested, London, Ontario, here in my home studio with me. So email me for details. Now, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the painting from 2 videos ago. I never got to show you that, but look at it. Look at the shimmer in there with the iridescence. It turned out stunning. I cannot wait to resin this. Once this gets resin, the color's really gonna pop. This is on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. If anyone is interested in purchasing this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, so today, put that down. Today I'm working on a commissioned piece for a client. It is a repeat of a piece I have done before. It is a black and white split with pinks and reds. I will link that video up here at the top for those of you who want to check that video out. So I'm going to get myself started. Or what's wrong with me today? This should be like a blooper reel or something. I'm going to get myself situated and bring you guys down, and then we shall get started. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, ready to go here. Now, this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. And as I mentioned, I'm literally copying a previous video I had done, which I linked up at the top for you guys to see. I did add one modification to the colors. My client wanted a little more red in it, so I did add an extra red. So I've got 8 colors here, which is actually a lot. Don't try this at home. Well, try it and see what happens. But I don't ever typically do 8 colors on a canvas this size. I would probably do it like on a 20 by 30 or 20 or 24 by 36 or something like that. But we'll see how this pans out. Let's see. Do I even have my hair dryer plugged in? I do not. I'm not ready today. I'm feeling a little discombobulated. All right, so colors I'm using today are black and white split. So using titanium white by Amsterdam, as well as oxide black by Amsterdam. Okay, and the colors I'm doing, pearl tulip pink by Arteza, not Arteza apparently, Arteza. Pyrole Red Deep by Amsterdam, and it's from the Expert series. Okay, then we have Pearl Cream by Arteza. I will always and forever call it Arteza. Permanent Magenta by Winsor & Newton. Some 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Then I've got Pearl Rose by Arteza. So then I added this in, Carmine Deep, Amsterdam Expert series. And then topping it off, we've got Persian Rose by Amsterdam. Those are the colors using the Flower Hair Dryer by Drew Barrymore. A lot of people are still asking where you can get it from. You can get it off Amazon or Walmart in the US. I don't know where else you would get it if you are not in the US. Try eBay. Canadians, I know you can get it sometimes off Amazon Canada, but it is ridiculously expensive. So yeah, if you go in the description below in my videos, in my Amazon shop, you will find it in the Amazon shop. All right, if you want to know how I mix my paints with water and Floetrol and the exact ratios for it, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top for those of you who are new watching and want to know how to mix your paints. All right, I'm going to flood my canvas and I will be right back. Alrighty, so flooding that was a little bit of a disaster if you noticed. I got black into the white, it was just a disaster, and then here I kind of goofed up, but I'm not overly concerned about this because the colors are just gonna get in there and blow it all out anyway. So let's start. This is gonna be a lot of colors. Now, of course, you have to follow your lines. So if your lines have gotten wonky in your split, you've got to follow the line, okay? Keep that in mind. All right, let's see here. Red and pink. So this was one of my most popular pieces lately, believe it or not. And I'm not much of a pink fan, but apparently anything I post that has pink in it on social media, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, it does really well in terms of views and stuff like that. So I guess pink is where it's at right now. Actually, my nails are pink and a hint of purple. So there you go. I guess pink is in. The nice sunny warm weather is upon us now, which is great. It's so nice to have sunny warm weather. It's really nice. Makes for a nice cheerful day. All right. 24 karat gold, as always, be light-handed with it. Don't overdo it because it will take over your painting. This is going to be a lot of color. This is a lot of paint. This is a lot of paint, but that's okay. I am interested to see how this is going to turn out. Guys, I'm already counting down the days for Vegas. I've never been to Vegas. I'm super excited to go to Vegas, but more so excited to see new faces and repeat faces, you know, faces from Fluid Art Experience from Seattle, Kathleen and what's it called? Tara. My brain wasn't working. But yeah, so many faces I'm going to see. Some new faces I'm going to see. You know, Fiona, Karen, Shelly. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right. That's a little wonky here, but we'll see what happens with that. So I think I'm going to start here, work my way up, and then come back down. Cross your fingers, people. Let's do it. This looks good. And let me tell you something. My client specifically requested, now if you watch the original video to this with these colors, I had accidentally gotten some black into the white. And in that video, I was like, oh, darn, I got some black into the white, you know, whatever. And my client for this piece actually specifically wanted that to happen again. She really liked the black intertwining into the white. And clearly that happened here. And there's a big streak of it here, which actually worked out perfectly. Guys, I love this. This is so perfect. I guess having all that color was fine. 8 colors. There was a lot of paint on the canvas, not gonna lie. But look at this cluster of cells. The only thing I'm gonna fix is this in here. I kind of want to get rid of this gray marbling that's happening in my white. So let me just use my magic eraser finger and erase. There's a lot of white paint here in the center. So hold please while I work my magic fingers away. Oh, that's a bad idea. Oh, that's so much better. I love it. Wow. This is so cool. There is nothing I want to touch on this at all. Aside from fixing my edges, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, everybody, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape all the drips. Do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do them again, and then a third time 10 minutes after that, and you should be good to go. All right, let's bring you guys in. Look at that cluster of cells. This is amazing. So if you go and watch my other video, I'm curious to know which piece you like better. Both, this one, the last one. Like I said, this one has more red in it because that is what my client requested. So that is what it looks like with the lights on. Let's check it out with the flash. All right, so I've got the flash on and there's going to be some definite shimmer happening in this painting because of course there's the 24 karat gold, but there is a ton of pearls from Arteza in here as well. As my camera changes the colors as I go too close. One of my favorite parts, where did it go? I love those clusters there. Definitely a lot of shimmer. This is gonna dry perfectly and there's gonna be a lot of shimmer happening in here. And there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I'd say it's available, but it's not. It is for my client. However, if you are interested in a piece of your own with these colors, you can definitely commission a piece or any colors of your choosing. Commissions are open and I am taking on commissions if anyone is interested. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. That is it. Don't forget, if you want info on my home studio classes, email me. And that is it for me for now, my friends. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.